Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. Are you looking for a factory style dash camera for your car? Then this video is for you. Stay tuned. Frankly speaking guys, I was not happy with my old traditional dash camera because it was using extra space on windshield, causing hurdle in the view. Secondly, I had to run long extra power wire all the way from camera to the fuse box, which is a lot of work. Thirdly, camera unit kept on vibrating and falling off multiple times. And lastly, the video recording quality was not as good as this one has. Talking about this dash camera kit, this is FITCAMX dash camera, and it is dual dash camera kit which has front as well as rear view camera. It also comes in a single camera kit which has only front dash camera. So what are the features we get here? It has Wi-Fi connectivity, loop recording, G sensor, super wide angle, perfect fit, which gives you OEM style factory fitting, and high dynamic range recording, and it records in 4K Ultra HD. So let's do a quick unboxing and see what I get in this box. I got two boxes, one says dash camera and the other one is accessory box, and underneath I got some user manuals by FITCAMX and a sport card in case anything happens. I can send them email or call them. Here we go. So it has two packets in it. Look at it. This is the main unit, which is front dash camera. Look at the quality. The quality is really good. So the camera lens is protected with the protective film. We got two buttons here, one is camera, one is power button, and some status lights here, and micro SD card is included, which is FITCAMX 128 gigs micro SD card, so you don't need to buy it separately. So it has two cables, one is rear, one goes to rear camera, and the other one is the power cable for this main unit. This one I suppose rear view camera with the long cable and some clips. So this I will mount it with the double tape and set the angle at the final settings. Now let's see what I got in the accessory box. The first thing is power diversion cable. It will panel remover tool, the back piece here which goes here nicely, and lastly we have a card reader which has USB-C slot at one side and USB slot on the other side, and we can insert SD card and micro SD card. That's all we got in the kit. Now let's jump into the installation. So we have to remove this housing. You can use this panel remover tool. Here you go. Then you can pull it down gently. Here we go. The back cover is off, and then gently press this whole housing towards front side. Here you go. Now we have two red push locks here. These two locks I will transfer it to the new housing with the camera. So to remove the locks from the old housing, I need a panel remover tool which is provided with the camera kit, and a flathead screwdriver to open the lock from the both sides. Then same for the other side. It's very easy job, and I will shift these locks to the new housing with the camera, and that housing is good to go for installation. So in lane assist camera, as you can see, there is 12 pin electrical connector. We have to remove this out. so that we can insert our jumper cable which is provided with the FITCAMX camera. So all we have to do, we have to insert this side into the camera, and now the other side gets inserted to the other side of grip. Here you go. The jumper cable provided by the FITCAMX has covering on it so that the grip doesn't produce any rattling sound. So now this side of the grip will go to the front camera. Let's check the labels before we plug it in any wire. There will be a little notch given on the both sides of grip to avoid any wrong connections. Here you go. So now we have to simply slide it in. Here you go. There's a lot of room at the back side of this unit. So all I need to do is to run a wire for rear view camera, and then the installation will be done. So let's start with installing the wire for rear view camera, going all the way from front camera to the rear view camera. The rubber here and pull it back a little bit. There we go. So now I can remove the lens protection film. The installation was quite easy. So now after installing camera, turn on your car. So once you turn it on, camera status lights will come on. Now I will connect my phone to camera Wi-Fi. So for that I need to install FITCAMX application. I have already installed. So now after opening the application, it says connect to the cameras. Now to go to settings of my phone, then click on Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi name will be always starting with CAR or LHD, and the password by default is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now hit on join. Okay, so the connection is successful, and now I will jump into the application which I installed earlier. Then I will hit connect to camera. Connection successful message appeared. Here I can see both of the cameras preview on my screen, and in this application you can do couple of settings like record a clip of the video, so and take a picture. So all these files are gonna save in camera files, and here also you can hit this camera settings button. You can turn on and off sound recording, video quality, video resolution. You can change from 4K. I kept the maximum one, and loop recording options. You can change between 1 to 3 minutes of loop recordings. Timestamp, so it will give you the full information, time and date, along with the FITCAMX logo on that, and parking, monitoring, collision detection. You can do couple of settings here, so you can change it to the full screen also. I'm really happy with the quality. So let me show you the quality of the video it records in a daytime and nighttime. So this is a daytime recording with the camera mic. With the camera mic. And this is video recording in the night time with the audio recording source from dash camera's mic. Let's see how it performs in the night time. And this is video recording in the night time with the audio recording source from dash camera's mic. Let's see how it performs in the night time. Here are some reasons why I preferred FITCAMX dash camera: because it has ultra convenient installation, factory style fitting which gives your car an OEM look, amazing build quality of the product, 4K ultra high definition video recording quality, and Wi-Fi connectivity to camera. FITCAMX dash cameras are available for most of the car models. Do check out their website to order yours. Check out the coupon code in the description of this video for discounts and offers. I hope this video gives you complete installation and setup details. Thanks for watching. God much bless all.